Hey guys, it's Robert here. I'm just out walking the dog and thought I'd make a quick video about paid traffic because I know a lot of you guys out there that you realise that really unless you can get people to eyeball your offers, you're not really going to make any money online. The thing is though that there are an awful lot of people out there that haven't got the budget for paid traffic, and can't afford to get it wrong. And I know, I feel your pain. It's something that everybody has to go through, or the majority of us have to go through. If you come to this with a big budget, that doesn't necessarily guarantee you success either. But it's for the main part. I'm talking to the people right now that are struggling to market themselves online because they've got little or no budget for paid advertising. See, the reason why I say paid advertising is actually the way to go is because it gives you maximum leverage. It means you can control the traffic that you're sending to your office and to your website. And ultimately, I make no bones about it, that's where you need to be positioned with your business. You need to be using paid traffic to leverage your business and exponentially explode it. Really put the foot to the gas with your business. You're not going to do that with free. That's going to take, it's not free by the way, that's going to take a lot of time and effort and everything else. And it's great because it's relationship building and it's building a nice strong foundation for the future, but it's not going to give you the leverage that paid advertising will. And of course, if anything happens with Google and various other sort of social media platforms, who knows how that's going to affect the organic stuff that you've built up through your free traffic techniques. Sorry, my dog's wandering off and I'm kind of, so's my train of thought as I'm watching her. So anyway, basically what I wanted to do was make this video to kind of reach out and ask you guys if you'd like me to put some more training together for, giving you more sort of free marketing tips, stuff that you can do without actually paying for your clicks. I'm just going to turn around here and walk back and hopefully not get too much sun. If you'd like me to create some more training like that to help you get started and I'm going to turn around again, help you get to a stage where you can actually invest in paid ads as quickly as possible, which is where you need to be, then let me know below this video. Make a comment, tell me precisely what you're struggling with right now, and I'll see if I can include that for you in a future training. That'd be my pleasure. And similarly, if you're trying paid ads, if you're trying to get out there and leverage yourself with paid marketing and you're coming up against obstacles and hurdles you don't seem to be able to get across, similarly, put the comment down below. Let me know what your issue is and I'll see if I can address that as soon as I can with some training for you. So that's it. I hope you're having a great day wherever you are. The sun's out here even though it's winter time still, and I'm really pleased about that. Cheers everybody up. So have a great day. Leave your comments. Don't forget to leave your comments. I will read every single one and I will take action on them, I promise. So, and I'll catch you next time. Have a great day. Cheers. Bye. Hey, it's Robert here. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you've really enjoyed it. If you've enjoyed this, then please subscribe to this channel and come back and see many more, doing these things all the time. And if you want to know when the next one comes up, click the little bell and you'll get a notification each and every time we've got a new video up there for you to have a look at. And the other thing is, I nearly forgot. If you love everything to do with personal development, business development, and just getting yourself into a peak state, then you're going to want to get over to my free webinar training, which is going to show you exactly the steps to take to overcome any inner barriers that are stopping you from achieving in life and business right now, and exactly what to do to get that put right and start living the life of your dreams, starting right now. Sounds like a tall order? Promise you, you can do this stuff. Get across to my webinar training. The link is in the description below this video. I hope to see you there. And at the very least, I hope that you click the bell. I hope you subscribe to the channel. And I hope to see you back here again soon. Take good care. Bye-bye.